वक्रतुण्डा महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवो शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणीं विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धोद्भवतु मे सदा पद्मपत्रा विशालाक्षी पद्मकेसरिवर्णिनीं नित्यं पद्मालयं देवी सा मां पातु सरस्वती सरस्वती भगवती देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ॐ गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ
The Lord of Wisdom, proposing knowledge and intellectual indiscriminately. Which one needs in life is obtained at the threshold of Guru. With this perception of perfection in life by Pujita, we'll begin the sermon.
Hello everyone. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Keep moving on steady. Trust yourself and trust your team. Nothing is impossible in this world. The word impossible itself says that I am possible. Think and act. Success is still yours. Success comes to those who only dare and act.
Great and wonderful morning to everyone. Leaders are the role models who inspire their followers and motivate them to follow the target of success. For the foundation stones of balanced success are honesty, stability, consistency, loyalty. To encourage and motivate our cabinet upholding their responsibilities, Mrs. Anushila, the high school coordinator, rightly has something to say.
It's a day to cherish, a legacy to be taken further. A very good morning to Unison. Students are the torchbearers of tomorrow, nurturing them in a sense of self-respect, self-responsibility, self-discipline, and encouraging in them the willingness to care for others are exceptionally considerable to be the citizen of the world in present days. In fact, this is the manifesto of Unison. Providentially, Unison is stepping forward with these amplifying constituents and introducing future leaders to the world through its induction ceremony with its newly elected cabinet. Wish you all to accomplish your responsibilities and try to fulfill the dreams of your future. My blessings to the cabinet that contributed for the success of this virtual investiture ceremony. I just wanted to conclude my speech by a powerful saying that coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. Hope the cabinet will work together for the success of this year. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. A tiny step of courage is always a good start. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. When the darkness comes, let us not condemn in the dark, but light a lamp to illuminate. End on with the voice of Kirtana of grade 6 as an adjunct. We present the lamp lighting as a mark of sanctity.
शुभं भवतु कल्याणी आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा मम शत्रुविनाशाय दीपा ज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते।
We must be grateful to each other for supporting and for being cooperative during these unprecedented times. Our appeal is not bound within a nation or beyond, but to the whole world to stand by and save this planet for us and for posterity. Anushka Jain of Class 6 is here forth with a global pledge, a feeling of one world, one planet, and of course our planet.
Good morning, I'm Anushka of grade 6B. Stretch your right hand forward and repeat along with me. I pledge allegiance to humanity and to the world that gives us life. One people united in diversity and one world united in peace, with freedom and dignity for all. All nations equal, worshipping God. indivisible with disarmament and with love and care towards the environment. To my brotherhood, I pledge my commitment. Thank you.
I request Tanuja, the literary secretary, to address the gathering.
Maybe that's all what it comes down to, a surge of ardency, a choice to accomplish, no matter what the obstacles or temptations stand in the way, is the element of a leader. He knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. A very warm good morning to one and all. On behalf of Unison School, I extend my welcome to you. Today is auspicious as we are to witness the significant event of the year, that is, the conferring the newly elected cabinet with the duties. I take this splendid opportunity to extend my hearty welcome to our distinctive director, Sri Sunil Kumar, our respected principal, Ms. Rama Devi, beloved parents, coordinators, teachers, and all my dear friends and viewers. We are delighted to have you with us to participate and share in our investiture ceremony. Unison's goal is as relatable and perpetual in success to any other academic event. The duty is to provide practical, step-by-step assistance, preparing us to be challenged, excited, and inspired. As it was during offline sessions and even now during virtual. It's a goal that we all have shared to move forward with the zeal and enthusiasm to make possible to organize such a grand event virtually. So without any further ado, let's begin this auspicious ceremony. Thank you.
Group devotion is a spiritual practice for all who share in it. Kirtana of grade 6, Mansi and Sunaina of grade 7, Akshara and Akshay of grade 8 are ready to start the ceremony with a beautiful rendition.
तेरा आसमान तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर तू चाहे तो हमें रखे तू चाहे तो हमें मारे तेरे आगे झुका के सर खड़े हैं आज हम सारे वो सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले तू चाहे तो पर आफत डाले तेरी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश करी है जमीन तेरा आसमां तू बड़ा मेहरबान तू बख्शिश कर सभी का है तू सभी तेरे खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश.
The day has arrived, a day which the students will treasure their books of memories, a time to cherish, dressed in whites, walking with pride with their heads high, marching to grab their most awaited opportunity. In a while, will be the cadets of this year's school cabinet.
Parikshit, head boy, Unison School Company.
The most powerful tool you have is your own personal example. Marching forward with dignity and grace is the head girl, Jyoti Jadhav, who stood as a personal example for other students. She is the daughter of Mr. Arvind Jadhav and Mrs. Latika Jadhav. Apart from cultural competitions, she also proved herself in games like caroms and highlighted her skills in poster making. Her interests include playing badminton, western dance, reading books, and also listening to music. She has a strong aim to prove herself in mass media communication with her uplifting strength like leadership skills and her way of organizing things.
I'm Jyoti, head girl Unison School Kompally.
I'm Tanuj, Deputy Head Boy, Unison School Company.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Marching forward solemnly is the Deputy Head Girl, Yara Srinidhi, with a strong passion to translate the vision of Unison School turn into reality with the strategies and helping nature. She is the daughter of Mr. Y. Hanuman Gaud and Mrs. Y. Kavita. Her interests include interacting with everyone and like to travel and learn new things from every place she goes. She wants to immerse herself in the wonder of flying high by making her dream true to become a pilot. She also had a powerful manifesto to make her juniors and seniors to follow rules and to be helpful to each and everyone in school.
I am Srinidhi, Deputy Head Girl Unison School Kompally.
I am Ashinkar, Coach Captain, Unison School Company.
A person always doing his or her best becomes a natural leader. Just by example, marching forward is Tanuja, best example for natural leader who contributed a good amount of literary works. Tanuja strongly believes that literacy is important for every child. She also has wonderful planning to improve her schoolmates not only in speaking skills and vocabulary but also learn some new words on the way. She is also passionate to keep up the pride of one's mother tongue. She wants to implement these things with a little bit of fun, having a good sense of humor. She is the daughter of Mr. Raghupati Kandarapu and Mrs. Geeta Kandarapu. Her interest includes dance, play games, read books, and also learn new things anytime. Her aim is to become an IAS officer and serve the community. Driven by the inspiration quote by John Maxwell, leaders become great not because of their power, but because of the ability to empower others.
I am Tanuja, Literary Secretary.
Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can catch excellence. Here comes the Welfare Secretary, Fani Srivastav, with a passion to achieve excellence by providing a strong hope for the Unison team to do wonders. He has a strong aim to become a computer engineer and build brilliant devices which help the world to develop. He is the son of Mr. Nagaraju Gandhi and Mrs. Rupavani Gandhi. He also has a well-framed manifesto to make the school proud by representing the school name in the top at every accept and make it a place of excellence. He excelled in his achievements like bagging first place in NIIT Guru Quiz and third place in Alma Abhiyan competition. He possesses inspiration by the Abdul Kalam's quote, "Leaders must have vision and passion and not to be afraid of any problem. Instead, you should know how to defeat it."
I am Fani Srivastav, Welfare Secretary, Unison School Company.
Marching forward with elegance is the Cultural Secretary Visista Gaud, with an ingenious manifesto stating to make students participate in all the CC activities enthusiastically. She aspires to lead her schoolmates in developing the creative skills and help them divulge their skills and to ensure students are healthy and disciplined. Visista, daughter of Mr. K.P. Vijay Kumar Gaud and Mrs. Sandhya Rani, is interested in creative art and craft projects, in playing tennis and learning new things. She aims to become a lawyer. She achieved laurels in poster making and a gold medal in NSO held in 2019 and a first prize in smash court tennis competition. She is always inspired by the quote, "Success is the result of perfection, hard work and learning," by Colin Powell.
I am Vishishta Gaud, Cultural Secretary of Unison School.
Marching forward is Master Adusimilli Chaitanya, the Subhash Chandra Bose House Captain, son of Mr. and Mrs. Adusimilli Suryavara Prasad and Sri Lakshmi. Master Chaitanya has his interest in skating, reading novels, gaming and badminton. His manifesto says that he wants to be a role model to all his juniors and lead the housemates in the right path, also helping them to participate in all the school events and external competitions. He wants to bring laurels to the school. He wants to motivate students to maintain self-discipline. He believes in the saying, "If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, work more, and become more, you are a leader." He participated in the national level rollball competition, also won second place in skating championship conducted by Deccan Hawking Skating Association. Best of luck, Red House Captain.
Let us now welcome the Red House Vice Captain, Master Aripalli Ritvik Reddy, son of Mr. and Mrs. Dinakar Aripalli and Chamundeshwari Aripalli. To study about holography and arts seems to be his interest. He aspires to become an IITian. He says that he will take school's respect to a higher level and will work with students to get invitations from various competitions. He wants to encourage the housemates to the best of his abilities in doing so. He says, "Don't compare yourself with anyone. If you do so, you are insulting yourself." He believes in this because once you start comparing yourself with others, you start entering the world of fails. He secured second place in Design Championship competition. Also, he is the proud winner of half-term scholarship for psychology.
I'm Ritik, Subhash Chandra Bose House Vice Captain, Unison School Company.
It's the captain of Chandrasekhar Azad House marching forward, Master Dev Verma, son of Mr. and Mrs. Sanjay and Shweta Verma. Master Dev Verma believes that the ballad is stronger than the bullet. Dave is interested in skating, waveboarding, physics, and mathematics. He aims to become an electronic engineer. Ensuring no discrimination in the school, he would like each and every student to participate in the IHCs conducted every month. As an exemplification to his manifesto, he had already won spell bee competitions several times in the school. Being interested in maths, he had also completed SIP Abacus course from Suchitra. Let your hard work propel you. All the very best, Devarma.
I'm Jay Verma, another house captain, Unison School.
The greenhouse vice captain, Mahita Srivalli, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. V. Nageshwar Rao and V. Satyasurya Devi, marches forward solemnly, one of the best sports persons of her school. The Azad House vice captain exhibits her interest in art and craft and badminton. She aspires to become a doctor. She wants to perform her duty by encouraging everyone in her team to participate in all the external competitions and prove the school's esteem reach the pinnacle. She is a winner of IGKO for 2 consecutive years, received scholarship from Dr. Reddy Laboratories twice. Fascinated with sports, she secured second position in Mechil District Athletics and had won many accolades. She earnestly believes that if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader.
I'm Mahita, Azad House Vice Captain, Unison School.
Marching forward fervently is the Yellow House captain Ramadi Shrikar Reddy, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ramadi Sharda Reddy and Ramadi Ravinder Reddy. The Bhagat Singh House captain believes in the saying, "You are the artist of your life. Don't give the paintbrush to anyone else. Do what you like." He enjoys assembling electronic parts, loves outdoor sports, also is very enthused with the Indian Army. He aspires to become a soldier in the Indian Army. He says that he would encourage his friends and juniors to actively participate in all the competitions and would serve his best to the school as much as he could. Master Shrikar stood in second position at the volleyball competition, won fourth position in Alama Abacus, and won a gold medal for the relay.
I'm Shrikar, Bhagat Singh House Captain, Unison School Company.
Let me now welcome the Yellow House Vice Captain, Master Donepudi Mittal Chowdhury, son of Mr. and Mrs. Donepudi Kiran Kumar and Donepudi Nagalakshmi. The Bhagat Singh's Vice Captain keeps his interest in app and game designing, coding, learning facts about science and chemicals, and also astronomy. He aims to start a mobile making company of his own. The computer genius has won app and game design competition. He also bagged the gold medal in National Science Olympiad and NIIT group quiz. As a believer of Gandhiji, he assumes that the best way to find yourself is by losing yourself in others' service. As the vice captain, he would like to take into consideration the ideas of every student participating in a group discussion and be wise in picking the right one.
Thinking should become your capital asset no matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life, is the notion behind successful second year of captaincy for Master Saket Reddy, the Blue House captain. Son of Mr. Ranga Reddy and Mrs. Rama Devi, Saket aspires to become an agriculturist or an agriculture scientist. The Lokmanya Tilak's captain likes to invent new things and explore unknown things. He wants to make the school a place of wonders and to make the students the diamonds of future. Playing volleyball is one of his prime interests. He had secured second place in app design in the design championship competition. He also secured first position in IT Quest, third in face painting, first in 2019's Floga obstacle race.
I'm Saket Reddy, Tilak House Captain, Unison School, Kompally.
The Blue House Vice Captain N. Nikita, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. P. Nallasivam and G. Kavita, is marching forward ardently. Story writing and reading storybooks being her passion, she is on her way to publish her first novel. The captain of Lokamanya Tilak House aims to make the school cleaner and greener by planting numerous plants and watering them regularly. She wants to be a good leader in assisting students in the right path of knowledge and self-discipline. As her duty being a vice captain, she would suggest to conduct drawing competition on the topic Save Birds, Save Water, Importance of Friendship, etc. so as to create curiosity in the students. She had won first prize in Q Math quiz and made her way through journal level drawing competition. She believes that a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way.
I am Nikita, Tilak House Vice Captain, Unison School, Kompally.
An opportunity to build leadership, sportsmanship, team spirit and nurture their future. Collective work of the management, teachers and parents give a student a life that can relish. We are thankful to the parents of Unisentians for unwavering support to the school, always walking hand in hand with the teachers to water these little buds into flowering trees. It's my pleasure welcoming to you all honoring our school cabinet. A cabinet which a government runs that it for, to and by the students of Unison.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am Sanchari from grade 10. Small cheer and great welcome makes a merry feast. Today, though not in the showers of sunshine, but Google Classrooms or Google Meet, we are here amidst curiosity to witness a grand event. I would like to welcome with warmth and happiness our beloved principal, Mrs. Rama Devi ma'am, our dear coordinators, Mrs. Anushila ma'am, Mrs. Karuna ma'am, Mrs. Asha ma'am, enthusiastic teachers, ever supporting parents, and my dear friends of grade 9 and 10 to witness the esteemed occasion of investiture ceremony and bless the school cabinet to perform their duties at their best, which makes them unfold the success of satisfaction. Sometimes we can learn, study and grow, and sometimes we have to believe, trust and hope. I congratulate and welcome the students who put in their efforts, trust and hope to be a part of the school cabinet, discharge their responsibilities with utmost sincerity and dedication. I wish each one of you all the best. Years after years, it reminds us of the trust and confidence in our newly elected cabinet. Now I request our friendly coordinator, Mrs. Karuna ma'am, to lead us to take the oath which always makes us be bounded with responsibility and a wonderful future endeavors.
Attention everyone. Studies. Attention. Attention.
I hereby pledge to honor and fulfill the worthy responsibilities entrusted
entrusted to my care,
to my care,
to my care,
in a spirit of
in a spirit of
humble obedience to the call of duty
to the call of duty,
and uphold the values of justice, sincerity, integrity, and sportsmanship. In my capacity
in my capacity
as a leader,
as a leader,
I promise
promise
to constantly
constantly
strive for excellence in all my endeavors and uphold the honor and prestige of my beloved school. I do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dance is one of the most divine form arts. It is much more than just moving your hands and legs. Dance is actually a way to express an individual's feelings. Dancers are the messengers of the gods.
Here comes Sharvika to introduce us to a dance form that shouts of sophistication and grace.
Thank you.
Arikshit, the head boy, is here to speak a few words on the momentous day of.
Good morning to our distinguished director sir, beloved principal ma'am, teachers and all our dear friends. I, Parikshit Rao, am privileged to be appointed as head boy of the academic year 2020 to 2021. First of all, I am very thankful to our respected principal ma'am who has given me this wonderful opportunity. Secondly, to all those mentors who have been nurturing me all through with patience, for I stand before you all today, holding this most responsible position. And I extend my heart to all my peers and to all my buddies who have elected me. Friends, this school offers us a lot of competitions and everything. From outstanding academic achievement to developing our life skills, which are must in one's life. 2020 is of course a very significant and challenging year for every day in the world. It's that time when each one of us should triumph over the situation with Sela. 1 meter responsibility, reality and empathetic attitude with each other. Pause. The challenge of leadership is to be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be bold but not bully. Be thoughtful but not lazy. Be humble, be not timid. Be proud but not arrogant. Have humor but without folly. I, as head boy, take upon me to use all my potential and endeavor for keeping every single hope and trust on me. I am really glad and feel blessed that I got opportunity to groom my character, for I learned to be helpful, understanding, honest and humble, bold and truthful. And I advise you all my friends that our school is marching and leading us toward the fantastic goal. The idea of becoming a head boy has stayed in me since the day I have seen the then head boy. Hence I say let's keep the heritage and legacy of Unison well maintained by our seniors. I want to conclude with great responsibilities come great achievements. Friends, let's take a promise to keep up the good work. At the end, I urge all students to work hard in their respective areas so that we can soar high and high. Thank you.
Hold your breath, folks, because Amitesh of grade 10 is going to surf you all up with ocean of emotion.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के। रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले है अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं दिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, घाटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के। ओ राही 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 ओ राही।
Now I request our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Rama Devi, to come and address the gathering.
Warm greetings to all my dear children, parents and teachers. Let me first wish you all a very happy and safe health and start the day. It's really wonderful the way you all have come up with varied ideas to make this occasion happen today amidst this pandemic situations of COVID-19 for the year 2021. Children Invest Teacher Ceremony is very, very important and most memorable day, especially for the senior school children. This also gives you an opportunity to take up formal leadership roles for first time in your life. Quite a few of you must have been leaders at class level, or you might have been leaders within your peer groups of friends informally there. Those are all your hidden potential leadership qualities which have to be further nurtured, channelized and put to a right purpose, taking over these charges that you are being assigned today. We are glad your parents are also representing us in honoring you all with the roles through the sashes and the certificates that they are gifting you on behalf of the school. I am sure my dear Unison children will prove up to their best abilities and turn out to be very good citizens of global world, where they never shirk taking responsibilities, learn how to work cohesively, be empathetic to the world around, always be more problem solution seekers than problem makers, and you're open to learn and you always stick on to the principle or philosophy of Unison of being consistent learners. And children, let me once again congratulate all those children who were really involved exploring the technical aspects of making this happen, not only this event but into many your class activities. I am seeing abundant performances and very much proud of the scientific temper you are showing and the innovations you are coming up with. Every situation has something to learn. Every context gives some opportunities. Every problem has a solution. And life is a mixture of everything. And to handle all this, firstly we need emotional balance. We also have to take care of our health and physical fitness, and I hope you all wouldn't give up. And nextly, you should always look at whatever is past in the perspective of taking lessons for the future. I hope these small tips will be borne in mind by all of you, and you'll have a very lovely life ahead. I look forward for your achievements as the school cabinet of Unison School 2021 batch. Good luck. Thank you all.
I extend our gratitude to our principal ma'am, without whose love and support this day wouldn't have been possible. I welcome Sanchali of grade 10 for a euphoric rendition.
कुछ पाने की हो आसास, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो वार वार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चिर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ।
Good moral values allows a person to make the right decision and improve their interaction with other people. Knowing what is right or wrong is an important element in life that shapes the character or an individual.
Teachers bring out these inner values of children to enhance the human values, and the same is reflected for a beautiful society. Collective of parents is essential to instill their values in children even from a young age.
I invite Vishishta, the Cultural Secretary, to dedicate a few words for the teachers and the parents who have worked hard to uplift us to who we are now.
Good morning, respected Director Sunil Sir, Principal Ramadevi Ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I am Vishishta, the Cultural Secretary of newly elected Cabinet today. It's our privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Unison School and Student Cabinet for year 2020-21 on this momentous day. I salute to the management, teachers, parents from the school cabinet without whom this day wouldn't be have possible considering the prevalent situations. We thank our principal ma'am for the way she inspires us with her words, instill human values and qualities of leader with her actions. We extend our gratitude to our coordinators for their unconditional love and support they extended at any time for our success and progress. Behind every successful program lies a manifold effort of dedicated faculty. Our sincere gratitude to the technical team of teachers who helped us to receive our orders. Today, we Cabinet stand in front of you with pride and with untiring effort of our parents whom conjointly work hard with the teachers to cultivate in us values of human togetherness, leadership and positivity. My special appreciation to all the fellow members of our cabinet for their motivation to each other and making
Married
this day
with care,
possible.
coated with pride, dipped in love, flying glory. Moments of freedom in shade of joy. Proud to be an Indian.
It is time to bow to our mother. I request everyone to stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।